C program we're gonna see nested loops. Welcome back viewers to Learn with the Nexus. My name is ROHITHDASARI, lab number 23CA2505. Course title is POP. Today's topic is to generate a program to print full pyramid with stars. A loop statement inside another loop statement is called loop. Here is the syntax for nested while loop, and syntax for nested do while loop is this. And you can see the syntax for loop. Here you can see the 5 into 5 of stars represented in a square pyramid. Now we see the program to print straight pyramids with stars, which is represented on the PPT. And further we're going to see input for the program is this, which is int main, which is the declaration, and int n comma rows, which are the integer values, and n is equal to 5, we give an assignment, and rows is equal to n, and the n value is assigned in the rows. And we use nested for loop where initialization is given as I equal to 1 and I is less than equal to rows as the n equal to 5, and I plus plus is in a post increment which increases by 1, and we're gonna take one more loop inside it for j equal to 1 and j is less than equal to rows and j plus plus, and which prints the space. And in that we can take another loop which is called the nested loop for k is equal to 1, k is less than equal to 2 into I minus 1 and k plus plus, which is gonna print stars. And after out of the loop we're gonna print next line. So let's see the iteration. For iteration we're gonna take like a table. We're gonna in first column we're gonna take I. For second column we take I is less than equal to 5, and third column we take j loop, and in fourth loop we take k loop, and in fifth loop we're gonna take printf stars. In fifth column we take I plus plus. In first iteration where I is less than equal to 5, 1 is less than equal to 5, which is a true statement, and j loop gonna print 4 spaces, and k loop gonna print 1 star and print stars. And in increment we get 2. 2 is the initial value I, and I where 2 is less than equal to 5 is true statement, and j prints 4 spaces and k prints 3 stars, and I get incremented to 3, and 3 values stored in I, and 3 is less than equal to 5, which is a true statement, and j loop gonna print 4 spaces, and k loop gonna print 5 stars, and I gonna increment 4, and 4 is stored in the I, and again 4 is less than equal to 5, which is a true statement, and j loop gonna print 4 spaces, and k loop gonna print 7 stars, and I gonna increment 4 to 5, and 5 is stored in I. 5 is less than equal to 5 is a true statement, and j loop gonna print 4 spaces, and k loop gonna print 9 stars, and I gonna increment to 6. As the 6 is stored in the I, 6 is less than equal to 5. It's a false statement, so the loop gonna break and come out from the. As you can see the output, which is the full. That's all for this video. Thank you viewers. Do like, subscribe and share to your friends, family for better